Another video from the Iron Valley collection. We're doing another upgrade on the Kubota BX22. Got some new wheels. They're actually made for the BX23, but they will work on the 22. The only difference is on the 22s, the rim is 8 inches, and on the 23, the rim's 10 inches, which worked out pretty good. Gives you a little more clearance around your four-wheel drive hub. Got these off of Amazon. They was $2.49. Powder coated, rims, tires and all. A very good looking wheel. They're just like the ones on the new models, the BX23. Put these on this 22. See how they look. Get them both unboxed. Like I say, they got them off Amazon. $2.49, both of them, shipped to my door. New tires, new wheels, powder coated. Everything looks real good on them. A little dirt on that one, get that off. But that one's for the right side, and this will be for the left side. Okay, let's get these put on here and see how they look. Got a little DeWalt 20-volt impact. Way to go, work it out in the field. Dirt off the hub a little bit. And use the tractor. I ain't got to clean it up lately. But time to do a little detailing on it. Get her looking good again. Everything, the bolt holes are the same. Everything, just line her up.
Will you cook the steaks on the grill?
Yep.
Okay, well I'll cook the other one.
Back up. I'll just snug them a little bit. Okay, let's do the one on the other side. Might not be able to see me as much on the other side. Let me just move my camera. That don't sound good. Yep, I can't see. work on that. Got nothing to do about tonight. We got to put it on, got that one stirred up. On the hot side. Yep, old D-Walk done it. I didn't think she'd get her out, but it did. Yeah, let's let her down, see how it looks with the new wheels on it. Looks pretty good. Getting a little dark, harder to see. The old tires look good on there. Put a little light on them. They look good on there. Really tickle. Give us a lot more room in around the hub. Everything looks good. Really proud of that. Old BX22. Trying to do some upgrades on it. Stay tuned in the next video. I'm going to be working on a fuel system, doing some upgrades on it. Try to bring that to you in the next couple weeks. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching.